This is DLA Land and Maritime. We support all the land forces and all the maritime surface and subsurface. Land and Maritime, of course, is one of the primary level activities in the Defense Logistics Agency, which is America's combat support agency.
We are located right now in Columbus, Ohio at the Columbus Convention Center, and what's taking place is a supplier conference where the defense industry and vendors wanting to support the defense industry or current suppliers are meeting to educate themselves, to make contacts with federal buyers, and to find out about opportunities in the future.
The audience at this conference is military, it's civilians, and it's defense contractors. All elements of the DoD mission are here.
We hold this every year to try to help build relationships with our supplier base, our some 6,000 suppliers that Land and Maritime deals with.
We've got suppliers that work with the Department of Defense from 350 different corporations throughout America that supply parts to the Department of Defense for weapons repair.
It is absolutely incredible to be able to actually stand and talk face-to-face with someone that you've talked to over the phone for years, and now you see them, and you can now build a much better relationship for the future.
But we also are here to help navigate whether or not they need to talk to a large business to do subcontracting for the large business, or whether they want to be a prime contractor with us directly, how to get that business going, who do they need to talk to, how do they find out about solicitations, if they get into any trouble, what help can they get.
Three benefits. One, we try to provide situational awareness context for the suppliers, hosting in senior OSD officials, senior service officials, as well as have breakout groups to tell them how Land and Maritime does business. Second, it allows them to make contacts with our workforce, with our key leaders, all of whom we have about 250 of our workforce down here on any day. And finally, there's actual commerce being done because we bring buyers from our organizations.
The ultimate goal of this conference is to educate vendors that want to do business with us. It is to strengthen our industrial base, and we want to diversify the vendors that we work with, and that's a huge focus, and my hope is a huge benefit that comes out of this conference and the interactions that have gone on here.